The productivity service involves analyzing all aspects that may slow you down and hinder your productivity. Currently, your team productivity is affected by inconsistent and out-of-date modeling methodology. No two designers think the same, therefore their design approaches could vary. There will always be a learning period when working on a part made by someone else because one must understand the model, its relations, and design intent before effectively modifying it. The solution is tailored training, establishing and capturing best practices for your processes. Javelin spearheads design and implementation of new streamlined methods for processes using the latest tools and techniques available in your current version of SOLIDWORKS. The assessment service will be able to provide your company with ways to reduce the delays that come with collaboration or working within a team and with other teams. The productivity service includes extensive analysis of your company's challenges with SOLIDWORKS. This gives us a better understanding of what you do and how you do it, which helps us create the best possible custom solutions to benefit your company. The service also incorporates one-on-one mentoring and team collaboration. When partnering your team with ours, we will dramatically improve your productivity and workflow by cutting down waiting times, optimizing SOLIDWORKS performance, automating procedures, cleaning dirty assemblies, and more. The ultimate roadmap for improvement is given in a report after the assessment that outlines all the recommendations and solutions. Contact us at Javelin for more about the productivity service and other services we have to offer.